Hey folks, Vic here, and this is a message I got when I got to my computer this morning. I'm in Vancouver. He's in another part of the world, and this is what he said. By the way, nice euro short, euro US dollar short this Asia morning at 119.23. Take profit 118.81, just above the pivot level. I don't use pivots, but maybe I guess he does. 42 pips banked on a 14 pip risk trade, 3-to-1 rewards risk. Outstanding. What a nice way to start your week off, you know. And this is, like I said, with the message that I saw this morning. Perfectly followed our trading plan for scalping. And let me just show you how that works here. We had if you look at our higher time frames, which we always start with, this is a weekly chart in the upper left. This is looking negative. Negative candles heading down, breaking below what used to be a good level here. It's just a reference. It's not, we don't, it's not critical for scalping, but it's a good reference to have. And on the daily chart, there's nothing positive about this. It's just heading down, okay? And we never had a what we call a bullish rotation here. It never happened. We just had a complex correction. Down it comes. We break this low here. It's just, this is very, very negative candles. So our bias is to be looking for a short. That's the way that the trade's moving. And that's, this is how you get these really nice, beautiful reward risk trades. So we had a level of, let me just back this up a little bit here and just show you that why we had this level marked right, this middle level right here. Well, it's because it's been actually a reasonable level in the past, but right here is when it pulled back and shot straight up from here. It hasn't been back since. Never made it back. When it did come back, it broke it. That's negative. Okay, so when you go down to your 4-hour chart, you can see that it's just doing the same thing. It's just lower highs and lower lows. We took out all these lows in here. This is very, very negative. And of course, this is a great level on the 4-hour chart too. So it was right here, right back into here. Really good level. I mean, that's where price exploded from. So those kind of things, when that happens, we have an entry technique that we use. And he got short right here at 119.23 and rode this thing down to, this is an opposing level on the daily chart down here. So we always front run a little bit. We don't have to get the very last pip. And that was a trade. He ended up taking a 3-to-1 reward risk trade out of that one, all from a nice top-down analysis, and using everything just is letter perfect the way that we teach in our scalping service. So yeah, so if you like a more active trading approach, these trades set up very, very frequently. And when you're trading like with trends like this is the kind of moves that you can get, and they're pretty nice to see them unfold like this, and really great to see one of our members picking it up like that.